guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on to watch this video. As you can see from the title, it is a house tour. Yes, I have moved and we are slowly settling in, but yeah, I wanted to give you guys a house tour with the house empty before everything was brought in. As I'm talking right now, doing the intro, we are moved in a little bit, but I have filmed the house tour before we moved in so you guys could get to see it empty. But anyways, it's been so long since I uploaded. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I fractured my foot, so I was not able to film and do all that. So I took a little break from YouTube, but I am back and I'm excited. I have so much to share with you guys. I can't wait for all the cleaning motivation and decorating and organizing and all of it. So if you enjoy such videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, what you waiting for? Go ahead and follow me right here so we can connect. Anyways, a little life update with me. That was about it. I fractured my foot, I moved. So now from what I'm about to share with you guys is where we're at right now. So let's go ahead and get into the house tour and I hope you enjoy. So starting here, this is the front door. Sorry, the alarm is going. It just keeps beeping for some reason. So this is the front door and this is me coming in from the garage. And then right here is just coat closet. And then this door here goes down to the basement, which I'll show you guys in a minute. But yeah, this is all the front. And then you turn here and the very first room here, it's got the French doors and we contemplated on turning it into a bedroom for one of the kids, but we ended up deciding that they're gonna share. So this will probably be either a sitting room or an office. And it looks out the front, like that's the front yard right here. Sorry, it's a little bit dark, but it's raining outside, so it doesn't help at all. But anyways, yeah, so this will be looking at the front, and I just wanted to show you guys the curtains. Oh my goodness, like these things are terrible. So going out this room, I will turn to my right, and here is the kitchen. I'm gonna go there in a minute. But walking here is the living room. We got that fireplace situation there. And it's a pretty good size room. Again, with the old style curtains. So out of the living room, you enter the dining room. It's got these doors here. And it also used to have doors here, but they took them out. They're in the garage. So we're probably not gonna put them back. And it's got the beautiful curtains again, but it's a good size room. Not sure how I feel about the chandelier here, but that will be for another day. And then the dining room faces the backyard, which I will also show you in a little bit. Now going into the kitchen, this is off of the dining room. We got this place here. They used to have a little like dinette, like a small dining table with like 2 chairs, I think. And then here you got another door to go outside in the backyard, and that's facing, you can look into the sunroom here. Again, I'll show you in a minute. And then we got another window here. Can't speak. But yeah, this is the kitchen. It's got the white cabinets. I'll back out so I can give you a full view. And then this is another view from the other side. You got the fridge and the dishwasher here and the stove, of course, with the microwave on top, and you got more storage here. And this is like, sorry, I got stuff here we moved here. It's like a pantry. It's beautiful. It's got these drawers. Oh, I'm gonna try to open it here. So these slide out like that, which makes it easier to get the stuff in there. And you got the top storage there, which is pretty deep. So now this is where the bedrooms are. It also has a door that we can close. Again, I'm sorry the lighting is not the best, but I wanted to start on this door here. This is where the actual pantry is, and it's just right off of the kitchen, and it's got amazing storage. I've never had an actual pantry, so I'm really excited about this. Continuing into the hallway, this is, on my right is the master bedroom. It's a pretty big room. Sorry, the floors are cracking. So it's got 1, 2, 3 windows. And then this is what I was excited about the most. It's got the 2 closets. I'm excited not to share with my husband. I love him, but I love that I'm not gonna be mixing our clothes. So everybody's got their own closet. And that's how it looks. And we're not gonna talk about the paint colors right now because I just can't. But these window treatments are just killing me. I can't even bring that down, but I just wanted to show you the lovely pattern on there. And then our bedroom obviously faces the backyard. Now this is going into the ensuite. You got the beautiful vanity here. It's got some good storage in here, which I love. Whoop, sorry. First thing I said when we walked in here, hello, there I am. We're changing this right here. The mirror is just too small for me. I don't like it. It's cute, but I don't like it for this bathroom, so we're definitely changing that. And then right here, it's got the stand-up shower, and I don't know what that is. They left it here. And then we got the jetted tub, and the toilet is right here. It's a pretty big bathroom, actually. It's really big. And the floors are just so pretty. Okay, so when you come out of our bedroom, the first thing you see is the linen closet right here. Lots and lots of storage for me, and I'm really excited about this. So after the linen closet here, this is gonna be the boys' bathroom. It's a cute vanity here. And then you got your toilet, of course, and the stand-up shower, which is actually not very ideal because the boys don't take showers right now. So they might have to take a bath in the downstairs bathroom. It's the only bathroom in the house that has a tub. And then this is their bedroom. Where's the light? There it is. This is gonna be a shared bedroom for both boys. It is the first time that we're letting them share bedrooms, so pray for us. And then this is gonna be their closet, which is big enough for them, of course. And yeah, I'll just back out a little bit and give you guys more of a view. It's a pretty big room. Now going into the basement. Gotta get the light. It's dark. Oh my goodness. All right, these are the stairs. Very nice stairs and pretty wide. Bear with me, I gotta figure out where these lights are. There you go. That's one light. So this is the main living room area with the wood fireplace there. We've never had a wood fireplace, so we're probably not gonna use that. And then right here is a half room. Hold on, I gotta get the lights so you can see it better. There you go. And it's gonna be like an activity room. The previous owners had it as like an exercise room. They had all their workout stuff there, and it's got the half wall. So we're just gonna do like some kind of games here. And it's got the double closets for more storage for me. And yeah, this is how the bottom living room looks like. And then right here we got the built-in bookcases, which are gorgeous. There you go, you can see it better now. We got some storage here. Very nice. And, oh my gosh, I gotta stop slamming things. And then you got a desk right here, which is quite short. I don't know who's gonna sit here, but yeah, it's all built in, so it looks really nice. So right next to the activity room, we have the guest bedroom, which is beautiful and it's so big. And you can see the side, I think this is the side of the house. And then right here, it's got the double closets for our visitors, whoever will come see us. And then when you walk out of the guest bedroom, there is the guest bathroom right here. And like I mentioned, this is the only bathroom in the house that has a tub. So I'm thinking the boys might have to come and take a bath here. And then you got your toilet here, the little shelf here, I don't know. And you got the vanity and the mirror with good storage there, and this cute towel hook. So once you come out of the bathroom, on the left side is the laundry room. And you got some cabinets up here. That's where the machines are gonna go. Currently, the washer and dryer are actually hooked in the garage. I won't show you that because we have all our things in there and we parked our car in there too. So it's crowded in there. And then over here, you got some space for storage. It's like under the stairs. Alrighty, so coming out of the laundry room, you just see the stairs again. And walking here is more storage. And these are stairs that just go outside in the backyard. We got this empty space here. It keeps blurring out. There you go. And then in there, you just got like the heater thing and whatever else is there. And I forgot to show you guys the our little bar. My favorite are the chairs. Sorry, it's dark here. You can't really see the chairs, but they're cute. And they swivel, so my kids like that.